Humanga ang National Grid Corporation of the Philippines sa Chinese technology kaugnay sa makabagong transmission facilities na siya ring ginagamit ng iba pang bansa. Para sa detalye magbabalik si George Bandola.
Nais ng National Grid Corporation of the Philippines na magaya ang teknolohiya ng China para mapaunlad pa ang pagbibigay ng sa pamamagitan ng mga makabagong transmission facilities. Ayon kay NGCP spokesperson attorney Cynthia Labanza, hindi matatawaran at kinikilala na sa mga bansang Australia, New Zealand, Portugal at Brazil ang teknolohiya ng State Grid Corporation of China.
It will help us maximize the grid capability. Apart from the physical technology, SGCC is also helping us with procedural technology systems, the way we can go about the transmission business in the most efficient manner. So the technology transfer is both technological and procedural. So that is something that SGCC wants to emphasize. And as the foreign technical partner of NGCP, we hope to bring back this technology to the Philippines.
Kaya kasama ng inyong lingkod at ng ilang piling mamamahayag, ipinakilala sa amin ang ginagawa ng SGCC. Ayon sa tagapagsalita ng SGCC, halos 5 taon pa lang ang nakakaranas pa ng rotating brownouts ang probinsya ng Shanghai, China. Nagkaroon pa daw ng utos noon na kailangan magpatay ng ilaw ang lahat ng gusali sa gabi dahil hindi kaya ng available power na tugunan ng lahat ng nangangailangan ng kuryente. Pero dahil sa pagpupulong ng pamahalaan ng China, naisaayos ito.
There are a lot of technical advances that we can apply to the Philippines. In terms of manpower, our linemen, our engineers are still among the best in the region. But the technology is something we can benefit for. Among these technological advances is the smart grid technology that we have begun implementing in the Philippines. We have a pilot substation in Antipolo, which we hope to commission soon. This will help us better integrate the systems and allow for us to accept renewable energy sources.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, George Bandola.